Jonah thought he could outrun Jehovah God. He boarded a ship headed in the opposite direction, hoping distance would erase his assignment. But when the storm hit and the sea roared, Jonah learned something every believer discovers sooner or later. You can run, but Jehovah knows exactly where you are. Jehovah gave Jonah a clear mission. Go to Nineveh. Speak to the people. Call them to change their ways. Jonah did not want to go. Nineveh was known for violence, cruelty, and wickedness. So instead of obeying, Jonah headed to a port city and boarded a ship going far away from where Jehovah sent him. As the ship sailed, the sky darkened. Winds grew fierce. Waves slammed against the deck. The sailors panicked and cried out to their gods. Jonah knew the truth. The storm was because of him. He told the sailors to throw him into the sea. They hesitated, but the storm only got worse. Finally they lifted him and tossed him overboard. The moment Jonah hit the water, the sea calmed. But Jonah did not drown. Jehovah sent a great fish to swallow him. Inside the darkness of the belly, Jonah prayed. He admitted he had run from Jehovah. He asked for mercy. For 3 days he sat in the deep, realizing that obedience is not optional. Jehovah heard him. The fish carried Jonah to the shore and released him. This time Jonah obeyed. He went to Nineveh. He delivered Jehovah's message. To Jonah's surprise, the people listened. They humbled themselves. They changed. And Jehovah showed mercy. Jonah teaches us that Jehovah cares about our direction more than our excuses. When we refuse a calling, we create storms for ourselves and sometimes for others. But Jehovah does not give up easily. He redirects us not to punish us but to restore us. Your second chance might look different from Jonah's, but the message is the same. When Jehovah calls, the safest place to be is moving in that direction. Where in your life are you running instead of obeying? Think about the assignment, habit, or decision you have been avoiding. What would it look like to turn around today and move toward what Jehovah is asking? Let this be the moment you return. If this story helped you understand the Bible more clearly, please like this video. Subscribe to Scripture Stories Explained for simple, easy-to-follow Bible stories each week. Feel free to share this video with someone who could use encouragement today.